Hello fellow crafters, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Sandy and I invite you to check out my channel and subscribe if you like videos on junk journaling or making things with your Cricut machine. I post a lot of tutorials on those two subjects, so I invite you to subscribe. Today's video, however, is on organization. I have been doing organization leading up to my craft room makeover, and today's video is giving you some progress on some of the organization I've done this week. So I hope you enjoy. Thanks so much. Please remember to hit that like button and the subscribe button.
I am sitting on the floor today doing some more organizing. If you are short on storage space, one thing to consider is these storage bins that go underneath your bed. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this Christmas crafting and decor items. So I only use them, once a year. And I am going to put them in here and store them under the bed in the guest bedroom. In addition to reorganizing my Christmas items, I'm working on a new way to store all my ribbons and trims, things like that. So down on this bottom shelf and then out in front of this, I had several different containers of ribbons and trims and things like that. And it was really driving me crazy that it was spilling out onto the floor. Plus I had to get down on the ground to, pull out whatever ribbon I wanted. So this shelf is behind the door to my craft room. And if you saw any of my previous craft room tour videos, you know that I kept all of I called them blanks, so things I would pick up for future projects. And I have moved all of my boxes of ribbons and trims and containers over to this shelf. Now these three down here are still boxes that have memorabilia in them from my kids when they were younger, which I need to turn into journals. But I like this over here. I can see what I have. I don't have to necessarily get down on the floor to look through them. So I'm really happy with how this turned out. So you might ask, well, where did all of the blanks that I have on these shelves go? And I'll show you that next.
I just wanted to pop in here and remind you guys that I do have an Etsy shop. I also have an Instagram and Facebook. The information is down below. And then the newest thing I've added is a buy me a cup of coffee. I would appreciate that if y'all would support me. Helps keep my channel going. All right, back to the video.
So this is the closet in my daughter's bedroom. And on these shelves here was, like old sheets, old sweatshirts, things like that. So I went through them, asked her, what did she want to keep? What did she want me to get rid of? And so I cleared out these shelves, and I've taken everything that was on the shelf in my craft room behind the door and moved them into these shelves. And I feel like I can actually see my blanks a little bit better. I may rearrange them a little bit, but I like how it looks so far. And I think this is a really good use for them because it's not something I use every single day. And I'm wanting to keep the things that I use, if not daily, on a regular basis in the craft room. And then the stuff that I, don't use that often, out in this closet in here. I am really happy with having the ribbons and things stored here. They may end up eventually up on the wall when I get my walls painted and the shelves built, but I like this for now. Let me know how you all organize your ribbons and trims. I do try to organize. I have all my Christmas ones in the same boxes. I have my fall ones in the same boxes. And then some of my like items, like all of these adornments, I have them all in one box here. So I find it easy to kind of organize them by theme or holiday, things like that. So let me know what you all do. So let's jump back in to see how I'm doing with my Christmas decoration reorg. All right, guys, I got the items from these tubs and this bin into this underbed storage. And I am just going to slide it down underneath there. Ta-da! Yeah, so these things I was storing in my closet in my craft room. So now I will be able to repurpose these and then store some of my other crafting things that I use on a regular basis in my craft room closet. All right, thank you all so much for watching, and I'm going to keep on organizing a little bit at a time. Thanks so much for y'all's encouragement. It's a lot of work. I got to get the glitter out of here now. All right, see y'all in the next video. Bye.